plugging in. So looking at plugging in numbers here. So here's we're going to do two quick little problems. So this one says 4x squared minus 5x given the f of negative 3. So I threw that f of negative 3 on there just in that sometimes will show up on exams, and all it really means is that x equals negative 3. F is just a function. So 4x squared, so 4 times negative 3 squared minus 5 again times negative 3. Okay, and then we'll solve from here. Negative 3 squared is 9 times 4 minus negative 15. Okay, so the double negative makes this a plus, right? And then we have 36 plus 15, and we get 51. All right, there's the first one. Fairly a similar example here for the second one, but just sometimes it helps to see it twice with some different numbers on there. So if we have 3a plus 5b, a equals 4, b equals negative 3. So again, we just plug those in. So we have 3 times 4 plus 5 times negative 3. So that will give us 12 plus negative 15 and end up with negative 3.